Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the 26th of August 2022. How to live trade Forex today with our Forex trading plan. Right. Thank you so much for coming in. Hi Joey from Hong Kong. Nice to see you here. Trinan, 你好。英国冷吗现在？Okay, so hi, Guten Morgen, Hubert. And hi, Carol. Hi, Flora. Roger from Malaysia. Hi, CK, 你好. Okay, nice to see all of you here. Bradley, hi. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for coming in. Right. Okay, so yeah, and I think now we are going to plan out. Okay, now we are going to plan out what we are going to focus. All right, guys. Okay, thank you for coming in. Yes. GJ is selling. Okay, I will take a look. Now it's a planning stage, so now I will not do anything yet. Okay. Hi, Secret Idiot. Okay, nice to see you here. Hi, Carol Carol. Hi, nice to see you here. Someone new here. May I know where you from? Okay, so thank you so much for coming in. Okay, so this stage here. Okay, we will be planning out. Okay, we will do out some planning. Okay, 在这个时段我们会在这个时段里面呢，我们会做计划。OK， 那么计划一下筛选一些货币对，那么让我们呢等一下在这个 London session 的时候我们可以做交易啊。OK， so yeah, we are going to pick up some currency pairs here. So filter out some of the pairs, a potential one, so that later on in the London session, we can do out some trading within that those filtered pairs, so that we can better focus with what we are going to trade. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so yes, let's take a look. What do we have here? Right, let's take a look at the MT4. Let's browse through. Firstly, I'm with my Aussie cat here. Okay, I'm with my Aussie cat. So yes, over here, Aussie cat. First of all, identify the trend first. So tentatively, by looking at this Aussie cat here, all right, we are looking into a bull. So buyers can take note. All right, buyers can take note. We are going for a bull. So that means buying is possible. Sellers has to stay away. All right. So tentatively, by looking at today, the trend here seems like we are going to have a retracement within the bull. All right. So is there any retracement? Okay, the resistance is up here, so tentatively we can see that one support here, higher support again, another round of support over here. So there's another support over here. That means to say right now currently Aussie cat is actually looking out for a support which may come down here and then continue the buy. All right, so this is good to buy when it comes to this price around 0.89933. all right. So yeah, tentatively, this will look out for a buy. We will stay away from selling. All right. Okay, so yeah, stay away from selling. Why? Because I'm a seller. Okay, so I only sell. So tentatively for buyers. Okay, you can take note. All right. Okay, how about Aussie franc? Aussie franc is the same. We are looking out for buy in the bull. So tentatively, we are also having a retracement. Is there any way that we can start selling? Okay, resistance up there. And we can see from the support over, the whole lot of support over here, very strong, going up in a very bull manner, a very bullish manner over here, and now coming with a support over at this point here. Then now meeting up with this support level as well. So looks like Aussie franc is going to buy very soon. Okay, all right. So yeah, this is something that we can take note. Okay, so this is good. All right. Yes. Hi, Wasim. Namaste. Sunday, share a video that how you pick pairs for sell or trade, please. Oh, I see. Okay. Sure. Actually, I'm doing it every day. Yeah, I'm doing it every day over here. Okay. Yep. So, okay. Anyway, yes. Okay. For you, Wasim. Okay. All right. I will do one. Okay. Perhaps next few weeks of video you will see it, because I have already scheduled out all the videos. Okay, so yep, okay, I will do one for you. All right. Okay, so for now, okay, Aussie yen, Aussie yen over here, all right, Aussie yen, we are past few days we are looking out for selling. As for today, it's actually challenging the resistance. We are into the bear zone. Okay, we are into the bear zone. So in this case, all right, this bear zone, okay, we are basically, okay, looking into selling. Okay, we are looking into selling. So tentatively, by looking at this into selling, will it start to sell at this moment? Okay, let's take a look. Tentatively, it looks like it's going to build a downward trend. Okay, and this is something that we can pay attention to for Aussie yen to sell. All right, so for Aussie yen to sell over here, okay, so we are into the zone here, which is the resistance, and the support is actually over here. Okay, so at the moment over here, we have about 35 pips of space for us to sell down. So currently, okay, we can take note of this, all right, so that we will be able to sell, okay, to grab some profit in the London session. Okay, so I'm going to put this into my selling list, which later on I will flash it out for all of you. All right, so Aussie yen is one of my choice. Okay, so Aussie Kiwi, let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi is still on the buy side, it's very bullish, so tentatively buyers can take note, sellers stay away. All right, so for Aussie dollar, as for Aussie dollar, well, Aussie dollar, we are looking out on the bull. The bull has actually started to retrace backward. Now it's trying to build up a downward trend. So tentatively, okay, we can take a look at Aussie dollar if there's a chance for us to sell. However, the pullback actually has touches the support and actually escalate up with a higher support over here. All right, as you can see, there's a higher support here, and then another support over here. But this support has been broken, so that means there may be a chance for a retracement. So the next support over here that we are looking at, okay, we are left with only about 14 pips of space, which is not a lot for us to sell. So if we are going to sell, I would prefer to break the support here, then we will sell in this area, which I see we can have about 73 pips. Okay, that's for Aussie dollar. All right, so resistance is still here. Okay, still here. So I think this is a turning point, perhaps. Okay, or it may even hit here and go back. So we are at the edge, so it can be either way. All right, so just take note of Aussie dollar. Since it's either way, 80%, I don't hit the 80% winning rate for these pairs to filter out. Then this is actually standing at 50-50. So in that case, I will prefer to stay away. Okay, all right. So Euro Aussie, right? Euro Aussie over here. Well, Euro Aussie, okay, we are now looking out for a bear selling, correct? Bear in the bear, and we are going to sell this. All right, so how good it is to sell for now? Okay, let's take a look. Is there any chance for us to sell at the point? Okay, this point here, okay, the support is still the same. All right, support remains the same, whereby we are looking out for a retesting of the previous support, which will get resisted. As a resistance, then we start selling. So Euro Aussie is still good to sell. We are still in the downward trending market. So I think this is still good. All right. So Euro Aussie, I'm going to put this into my watch list. All right, to sell. So Euro CAD, let's take a look at Euro CAD. Well, Euro CAD over here, today we are actually hitting, yesterday we hit up on the support, and today we got rejected by the support. So tentatively, it's going to retrace as a buy, so I'm not going to touch this. All right, so for Euro Yen, well, Euro Yen over here, Euro Yen, what we are looking out for is that the Euro Yen over here, in the general reading over here, we can see that it's in the downward trend. Okay, it's in the downward trend. So we are still running in the bear. So by running in the bear, are we going to sell it today? But the bear is actually having a retracement. Okay, a retracement there. So in this case, there's a retracement. Will that still be good for us to sell? Okay, let's look at the reading here. We have a support, higher support, and another higher support here. But now in this case, we are still in the bear. So there's a retracement now. Will the retracement comes into as a selling to test on this support? After that, it will have a very good selling now. I think there will be, okay, because actually we are now facing up with one resistance over in this level. Okay, so let's put this down first, and I'm going to move this resistance down here. So we are exactly on the resistance level. Okay, so we can take a look at this for selling for euro yen. Okay, but euro yen, okay, same thing, because today we are still in the retracement state. Okay, once it breaks above the resistance, that means to say it's going to challenge another higher resistance. So hang on for a while. Okay, if this is coming back for a selling with a new cycle of selling in H1 over here, yes, then we can go for a selling. All right. Okay, so euro yen, yes, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, all right. Okay. Hi, Aiden. Nice to see you here. Hi, Eduardo. Wow, good evening. Yes, thank you for coming in. All right, so I hope you have taken your dinner. Okay, so Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi, it has zoomed down for a while, tested the support and moved back. Okay, so we can see the support level is actually pretty much easy to identify. And then we have a higher support over at this point as well. Resistance is actually pretty high up, so which means that we still have a very good space from here to buy. Okay, so tentatively is still looking out for buying. So yep, Euro Kiwi buyers can take note. All right. How about Euro dollar? All right, Euro dollar. Okay, out from work early, might as well look for a good trade. I see. Okay. Yep. All right. So yep, I shall see you later in the London session. Okay. So for euro dollar, yes, it has gone into the bear. Yesterday was a retracement, and then today, all right, this is now tentatively coming back for selling. So I think this is still good to focus. Okay. So yes, let's take a look for euro dollar. Well, after the retracement testing on the resistance up here, okay, and then it started to swing down. So yes, resistance is still up there. Now we are right in the middle of nowhere, correct? Okay, so probably this may be something that we can look out for selling today. All right, for euro dollar. But just have to take a look out for all the support level that it may come. Okay, though I see that the support level is still at 0.98660. Okay, all right. Okay, so yep, let's put this euro dollar into my watch list today. Okay, so there may be a good chance. All right. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, GJTP Bradley. Wow, congratulations. That is very good. All right, for sure. Anything for pound dollar look like bouncing from the weekly support. Okay, I will come to that. Okay. All right, so pound Aussie. That's pound Aussie. Pound Aussie, we are actually coming in as a retracement today, although we are in the bear. All right, so tentatively, I will still be looking out for the support is actually still down here. All right, so resistance is actually here. Okay, so let's see if we are going to sell the pound Aussie. We will need to wait for it to test on the resistance. Then after that, I will start selling. Okay, but tentatively it is still on the retracement side, so I will just leave this out first. Okay, all right. So yeah, pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD. All right, pound CAD. Pound CAD, we are in the bear. Okay, we are in the bear today, but look at the bear. Yesterday we have supported. We were supported, and today looks like it's still being supported. Now it's still landing on this support and hover around. Seems like it's still trying to break the support level. So at this point here, I will say that the support. Okay, let me place it down first. And the resistance, I will still say is over here. Okay, yep, correct. So tentatively for pound CAD, okay, we still have about 15 pips to test on the support. Not many. Okay, I would say that the space is not enough. All right, in that case, it's best that it should break the support below, then we will take a look. Should we continue the selling? Okay, all right. So that's for pound CAD. Okay, so we still have a bit to wait for 15 pips to break below, and perhaps after breaking below, it may started to get near to the support down there. So I think it's still not good to focus, although it's dropping so much, but it can be rock bottom. Okay, all right. So pound franc, okay, pound franc. So pound franc at this level, pound franc. Are we still in the bear? Yes, we are still in the bear. So tentatively, by looking at this pound franc, we are in the bear. So I'm sure I wanted to look out for selling opportunity. Okay, so over at this point, support has no change, and we have one level of support over, which is near here, a weak one, a weak support. The resistance still stands here. Okay, so now after breaking this level, then probably we can sell down for about a 60 pip, 60. So I guess pound franc today shall be in my list, so that so that we can take note to sell today. Buyers have to stay away. Okay. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. Okay, so everybody know that this week I'm focusing a lot on pound yen. Okay, so this is something here like this Bradley has just taken the profit. Okay, so in pound yen, generally we are still in the downward trend in the bear. So right here, okay, we will take a look. Since from this level to this level, we are still in the bear. So let me zoom in details. We are still on the resistance which has been tested on the last 4 hours. Now this 4 hours, current 4 hours is coming down for a selling. So yep, so Bradley, you actually grabbed the opportunity from here, huh? That's good. Okay, support. Well, unfortunately, the support is still in the same area. No change from yesterday until today. Okay, so we are waiting. I'm waiting for it to break this level, then I will start trading. Okay, so if any selling opportunity from here to here, we are about 14 pips. Either you scalp it or you skip it. Okay, all right. So I'm looking out for this area here. Once it breaks through, I will take note to sell all the way. All right. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this, we have about 94 pips of space. Okay, so you should have less out a bit or 25%, huh? Okay, so it should have stands about 68 to 75 pips. Okay, so pound yen is still looking good. All right, so I will be putting this pound yen, okay, into my watch list. Okay, all right, next to go pound kiwi, pound kiwi. All right, pound kiwi. So pound kiwi over here, we are now looking out for a bear into bull. Hoover retest the bear, but is not successful to break. So tentatively, it is still going on the bull side. So pound kiwi, I'm not selling. I'm going to stay away. Right, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. All right, pound dollar over here, we are in the bear. Right, running so harshly, nicely downwards. Okay. However, now in the bear, we have been resisted in this area. We got resisted in this area, so there may be another selling opportunity. Okay, there may be another selling opportunity. As of now, I think pound is actually having a difficulty because of the energy bills. All right, it's going to be very costly. Okay, so at this moment, okay, weekly support is bouncing there. Yep. Okay, let's take a look. All right, so as of now, okay. The weekly support, all right, is actually breaking through the weekly support, as I can see the nearest one over here. So we still have one more down there. Okay, we still have one more over here, all right, which are now standing at about the current, based on the current price, we still have about 130 pips thereabout. Okay, so we have to pay attention to this because this area is very important. This area is very important, as you can see from here, correct? So it's actually still ranging in this candle, in this range, okay, in this range. So I will, like yesterday I was saying, okay, pound dollar, if it is going up, I will not buy, okay, but it is ranging in this area. When it's actually coming down, I will sell. Why? Because we are in the bear. So when we are in the ranging area, I will always sell according to the major trend. Okay, the major trend is selling, so when it hits on the resistance and when it is still in the ranging area, yes, I will sell. But when it hits on the support, is going up for a buy, I will not buy. Okay, I will not buy. All right, Okay, so this is how I trade for this GU. Okay, so tentatively GU is still looking up for selling, so I will put GU into this my selling list. But yes, take note. Okay, this is still in the ranging, but in the ranging we still have a good space of ranging to about 44 pips. Okay, about 44 pips. So yeah, just pay attention. If this is still continue for a higher support, higher lows towards the resistance, then don't trade first. Okay, all right. Okay, hi Leslie. Yes, that's correct. All right. So that's for pound dollar. Okay, so how about dollar CAD? Dollar CAD yesterday has a bit of selling down. All right. Then today we have buying. You know. What do you call this? This is retracement. Okay, so tentatively I'm going to skip this for selling. Well, for dollar franc, yes, dollar franc yesterday was good. Okay, then today it actually hit up another one. So this one looks like a price stamp over here, so probably it's going for a buy again. So take note of this. All right, so buyers cannot buy. Also, you cannot buy for buyers until it breaks the resistance. Then we will consider a buying up here. Okay. All right. Dollar yen. Let's take a look at dollar yen. All right. Dollar yen. Okay. Dollar yen over here. You are most welcome, Eduardo. Wow. Thank you, Professor. Thank you so much. Wow. Okay. This tall hat I cannot accept. Too tall for me. All right. Okay. Just a joke. All right. So. Yeah, okay, so dollar yen over here. Okay, so tentatively we are actually escalating up. Okay, so will it still continue to go for a buy? It may be. All right, it looks like it's preparing. Okay, looks like the dollar yen is actually preparing for next week. Okay, so I guess tentatively it was still going for a buy. Okay, which the resistance level is actually up here. Okay. So tentatively looking at about 65 pips buy. Okay, so I will not sell for now. Okay, I won't be selling for now. So dollar yen need further observation. Okay, before we can take action. All right. So dollar yen, but in general, by reading this current situation, I see that it's on the buy side. Okay, it's on the buying side to test on the highest where you can see my pink arrow is pointing. Okay, over here. So this one, okay, just be careful. All right. Okay, so let's move into Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin, whereas Bitcoin we have a slide down. So from the 21.8, okay, yesterday we are talking about this 21.85. Okay, so after that it has started to swing down over at this area, but this swing down may not be a sign of selling yet. Okay, because tentatively I would say that selling is possible, but not now. Okay, we still need to have more confirmation before we actually go for a selling. As for Bitcoin currently, okay, by looking at this movement over here, it become a little bit stagnant. Okay, a bit stagnant here, right? So it's actually moving a little bit stagnant here in this area. So if you're going to get into a trade right now like this, okay, you will get caught easily, okay, in the middle of nowhere. All right, so just try to stay away, huh? All right, for gold trading, okay, for gold trading. Yes, for gold trading over here, generally looking at this part here, the gold, okay, from here we actually looking out for this level, okay. This level 1756, if this is not breaking, then there may be a good chance for selling again. Okay, so in general, I'm looking at selling for this gold. All right, my target is actually about 1720. Okay, about 1720. All right, so that is actually my goal. All right, my target. But now looking at this, okay, if this is not breaking, okay, if this is not holding down, then highly likely the gold will actually escalate to meet up with this 1768. Okay, 1768. So this is one thing. Okay, so this is the plan for gold trading. Okay, so if you when you are going to take a trade for gold, please understand the situation you are in first. Then it may take for a sell or a buy. Okay, because we are at the edge here. So tentatively, this is how I see gold. Okay, look like some sort of rising wedge, and the movement on the M15 chart is very tight. You are talking about Bitcoin. Are you talking about Bitcoin? I think so, probably. Okay, right. So sorry, I missed that. Bitcoin going up. Yes, there may be a tendency. Okay, so for the moment, okay, by looking at this, okay, so Bitcoin may be looking for a price to get supported. Okay, but now currently it's a bit stagnant. It's a bit stagnant down, huh? Okay, the whole area here is a bit stagnant in this area. So currently still, I would say that still waiting for a good support before it actually will go up. Okay, all right. So yeah, that's I think that should be all for me today. Okay, in this session. Later I will come back in the London session. Right, 22.4 to the upside, then big drop. 22. Okay, 22 on the upside. Okay. Oh yeah, somewhere here. Okay. I think yes, it's possible. It may be possible also, but it's just that now currently by looking at the situation, it's moving very slow for me. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Okay, all right. So yeah, and for now, okay, let's see what do we have. Okay, let me flash out what I have picked out. Okay, yeah, and oops, yeah, I do. Okay. All right, so yeah, these are all the currency pairs that I'm going to focus to sell. Aussie yen, Euro Aussie, Euro yen, Euro dollar, pound franc, pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, all right, all these will be the currency pairs that I will be looking at. Okay, all right, you are most welcome, Eduardo. Okay, so I shall see you in London session later. Okay, take a good rest first. Okay, all right, so yeah, now I shall move on. Okay, let's see. Pound dollar, right? Okay, sorry, pound yen, right? Okay, pound yen. Okay, tentatively we are we going to build a lower resistance for a downward trend? Tentatively is quite close. All right, so everyone should maybe should take a look. Okay, all right, you're welcome, Joey. Welcome, CK. Okay, so yes, guys, I shall see you in London session. Thank you so much. Do remember to do me a favor by giving me a thumbs up onto my video to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. All right, thank you very much, guys. See you later in London session. Thank you so much. See you.